Hello again. I have the Milwaukee batteries M12, and we can see that one of the batteries is showing like broken dead or something. So I have the good battery and the bad battery, and for the bad battery I can use my multimeter to check the voltage, and the bad battery have the 9.2 V, and the battery have almost 12 volts. So what I do, I want to try to jump start the battery. Okay, for jump start I will use the wires with the preset pins and putting the wires negative, negative, positive, positive. Just holding them for some time, maybe 10 seconds more. We have 10 volts, 9.99, and now I will try to put the battery into the charger to check if it can be charged. And as we can see, the battery is fully charged. So insert it to the drill. Choose all 4 lights. So that's a good sign, because we have just started the battery.